Hey everyone, I wanted to show you these really cool free printable gift tags for your homemade items. I use them for my hats. So I am at the avery.com, I'm going to highlight it at the top here, website, and I will show you how to get there. I am logged in with my account, so it's just free. You don't have to put any information in, just your email. So you're going to go here to products. I'm going down to cards and tags, and then I'm going to scroll over to gift and craft tags. I'm going to click on that, and then we want printable tags. So here it says filter results. I don't need key tags, I don't need marking tags, I don't need shipping. So I'm going to go right here, product 22802, and I'm going to click on the printable tags. Now, you'll see all this where they're for sale. If you scroll down, and it'll say up here 2 by 3.5 inches. Scroll down right here. Start designing. We're going to click on that. And then right here, there are 8 to a sheet. This one is printable tags with strings, hole on left, print one side. This second one, printable tags with strings, hole on top. I want the hole on top, so I'm going to click on that one. When I select it, see it says select this template. So I'm going to click on that red arrow. Here are all of your choices, and I think right here, 888 designs. So you have all sorts of types of tags that you can choose from, and you can just simply click on one. We'll just click this one here. I'll say select this design. Okay, now it says edit all. How does this work? First, use edit all to make global changes to your entire sheet. See over here on the right, there will be 8 of them on a sheet. And then it has edit one. So we're going to edit all. I'm going to close that out. And right here, see how this allows you to place the text, and you can just backspace, and just for kicks I'm going to put Lisa's Lids of Love. Then of course, you can change the size font. Over here on the left, you can play around with it. If I wanted it smaller, I can make it smaller. Here I can change the font, and I can make this smaller. You can play around with it. You can add another text box here if you want to type something different. So if this is something you wanted to make this box where it was constant, then maybe this changes. For instance, on mine I have washing instructions. So I have a couple of different ones that have different washing instructions. So you can say hand wash, lay flat to dry, or whatever. And so then after you do all of that, here you got your hole on top. You can change the color. You can put all kinds of stuff on here. I put the Facebook emblem, or the Facebook logo, and the Instagram logo, so people can find me on both of those places if they had questions. Down here in the right-hand corner, see the green preview and print. Right here, okay, this is what your page will look like, how they will all print. And up here is your zoom. If you want to zoom in, you can zoom in there. And then you just hit print. And it says save, so it says we strongly recommend you save your design. And then you can put whatever you want. You can put Lisa's Lids of Love, tags, number 1. And then you can do save to your account or save to your computer. I'm going to do save to my computer. Okay, I got interrupted. So anyway, you want to go over here and you can hit print, and you can do open PDF. Okay, I did a save to my computer. So when you save to your computer, then it's going to bring this page up, and it says open PDF. So you can open it. See, isn't this cool? Open it as a PDF. Okay, see what it looks like. Then from here, you can go up here and you can click print, and then you can print it to your printer. Okay, so then you can go back in here to edit my design, and then you can go back in here and machine wash cold, tumble dry low, whatever. And so whatever changes you want to make, then you could do preview and print. Once again, see, it's going to say, we strongly recommend that you save your design to prevent losing your work. And then you can do save to your account. So if you set up your Avery account, you can do machine wash tags, whatever. And then save to your account, okay? It's saved online. Then you can open it as a PDF and save it to your computer. So anyway, I'm not going to go over a whole lot other than that. You can play around with it, and you can put images in here. So see, you can add your own image if you had a photo of something you wanted to put in the background. You can choose all kinds of different designs. Right here, if you select this blank design, this will allow you to design from a blank slate. So you have all sorts of choices. I mean, there are some really cute tags in here, some really interesting ones. So right here you can do find a template, choose a design, and see these are all videos. These are all tutorial videos. I didn't even realize they had that. So if you need help, you can click on that, and if you need to have it printed somewhere else, I believe you have the ability to send it somewhere else to be printed. Oh, right up here, see this right here? You print, we print. There we go. So then you would have to enter template 2802. Oops. No, let's see. Tags. We print. Oh, scallop tags. Hole on top, print one side, banner tag. Select this template. So there you go. There you're back to these templates, and then now it's going to send it to them to print. So let's just select something. For instance, we'll just select this one, and then you'll put your text there. And then let's just say we're going to do next. And then you can see it says, I spelled everything correctly. I placed text and images to my liking. I reviewed and approved my design. Next step. Okay, save it to your account. Okay, it's saved online. Now you can print this yourself, or you can send it to them to be printed. So it's just a matter of being on the You Print or I Print right here. So this will say select your quantity, and it'll tell you what it costs you. 40 tags, 20 bucks. I think it's cheaper to print it at home. Depends on your printer. Inkjets tend to cost a little bit more. So this gives you the option, if you need to send it to them to print, but I think you'd be better off if you just saved it to a PDF and then you took it to Office Depot, or there used to be copy places all over town, and I can't remember the names of some of the ones where you can just go get copies made, Quick Copy, or someplace like that. I would have them printed on cardstock. I'd print mine on cardstock, which is a heavy-duty paper. I personally wouldn't just print them on regular paper. So anyway, this was a lot of fun. You can spend who knows how much time playing around with all of this and creating your own tags. But I thought it was really cool, and I kind of came across it by accident, and I thought I would share it. Thank you for watching.